Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. This is Miss Jackie Russell. I'm so happy to have you here today, and I hope you all are having a wonderful, great day. We are having some good weather here. Of course, that changes fast in Texas, but for now it is great, and I am so happy to be here with you. I want to thank each and every one of you who are returning today and who are watching my videos almost every day. I really appreciate it. I appreciate whenever you can come watch, and I realize our time is valuable and you can only catch me here and there, and that's fine too. I appreciate you. And if you're new here today, well, welcome, and I hope you have decided to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video and or my next winner announcement, because I've got lots of giveaways and all that information is always in the description box. But as for today, we are going to do the Pup Mom. We're going to share the love with our puppy. And this is the Pup Mom Crate. It comes in this nice colorful box each month. And this is the March box. Let's find out what we have. This is what it looks like. Work hard today so your dog can have the backyard they deserve tomorrow. And then we have our product card and a little sneak peek of what's inside here. So let's find out what we have. Now this subscription runs $39.99 a month. You can get it for less if you do a 6-month or annual subscription. They also usually have some specials whenever you sign up. So if you're interested, be sure and check those out. It does come monthly, and it usually has 3 to 4 items for your dog and 2 to 3 items for you. Sometimes that can be reversed, but I love this because it's self-care for your dog and it's self-care for the mom. So you get a dual purpose out of this, and I always like seeing how they're going to do it. This month is Spring It On. That's what our theme is. And this is the Pup Mom Crate. And I'm going to try to find these items in the order. Right here we have With Love Annie, and it is a drink tumbler. And it is $19.99, and it has Dog Mom on there. It's clear. It's got a screw-on lid, and yes, there's a straw. So we have a complete set, and it feels insulated. Let's read about it. It's a $19.99 value, and it is Get Ready for Summertime with this adorable Dog Mom tumbler with Love Annie. This clear 8-ounce tumbler comes with a straw, making it the perfect cup for your daily smoothie or iced coffee. Show your love being a dog mom while you sip all day long. So that's very nice. I like that. Our next item says it's a mystery item, a mystery dog mom item. It's our little surprise for you. This month we want to include a highly rated mystery dog mom item. Whether you get something for your home or something you can wear around the house, be sure this will be a great addition to your dog mom life. Well, let me see. Look at this. I got a Dog Mom AF backpack. Look at that. This is nice. Remember, I paid $39.99 for this box, and I don't know how much this mystery item is, but you know backpacks are usually a minimum of $20. This is very nice. It has a zipper pocket right here on the outside. So this is great for like going hiking or to the park, or even if you're going to the vet and you want to just throw this over, on your shoulder there. This is great. I love this. Great. All right. I love my little bonus item, my mystery item. Y'all know how I like mysteries. Okay, guys, the next item is a Spunky Pup Glow Ball. That is right here. And this is going to be fun. My dogs love to play ball. You just throw the ball, they go get it and come back. Now, at nighttime, they'll be able to see it and bring it back to me. I mean, not that we play at night a lot. You get the idea. They could be out there playing and it turns dark and they can go find their ball. I think that's perfect. Even in the house with the lights off, it'll probably glow. Very good. This is a $7.99 value, and it says you and your best friend can keep playtime fun with these colorful balls from Spunky Pup. And this soft, durable, non-toxic toy is easy to clean and waterproof, and it even floats. So wherever the fun is, at the dog park, at the beach, or just around the house, these balls will keep your dog running, jumping, and fetching. Good thing. I like that. I like the color too. Now our next item is a Charlie Bear product, and it's cheese and egg treats. And that's right here. We got some cheese and egg treats. It's a value of $4.72. These tasty treats from Charlie Bear are crafted with delicious cheese and eggs right here in the USA, made without soy, corn, or artificial flavors or preservatives. These bites are baked to perfection for crunchiness and taste. Our next item is a Spunky Pup brand, and that is this right here. Isn't this little guy cute? This is a little bitty alligator squeaker. Ah, there we go. A little bitty squeak. For small pups, this is a $9.99 value. Your pup will love their new Spunky Pup toy this month, whether you get the tiny alligator or the antler for your medium or large dog. So either way, I have small dogs, so I get the small dog toys, but that lets you know right there that you can get large or medium toys for your dog. You just have to let them know what size whenever you're signing up. Our next item is by Spunky Pup, and it's chicken flavored nylon chew toy. And that is right here. So I know they're going to love this. It's like, who's going to get it? They'll probably kind of fight over it in the, what do you call it, King of the Mountain will be the winner. Alright guys, this is a chicken flavored nylon chew toy. And it's $9.99. And it's for small dogs. It says on here medium to large, but in my case, it's going to be for small dogs. And our next item is flavored goodies. This is a surprise treat, and the treat we got are blueberry treasures. This is soft baked dog treats that are blueberry and mint flavor, and it says we decided to include some of our top rated treats from our assortment of brands, and it is by Shameless Pets. So as a recap, I don't know the total overall value, but it's usually over $100 or somewhere around there. We got our blueberry treats for our pup. They got a toy. We got their glow balls, which I know they're going to love. We got a chew toy for them, chicken flavor. And we got these little Charlie Cheese Original Crunch egg and cheese treats, which I know they're going to love. And don't forget, for me, I got the Dog Mom insulated cup and straw, and then I got this great backpack. So what do you think? Do you have a favorite item? What do you think of this box? Do you want to get special treats for yourself and your dog? Well, if you do, then I highly recommend the Dog Mom Crate. And it's not badly priced, I don't think. So it's great for both of you. But that's all I have for the Pup Mom Crate today. And I'd like to remind you again to check my description for any giveaways that are going on. And I will be having new content coming out soon. I have another Bommy Box on the way. And I have Curator on the way. And I have Oceanista on the way. So we're going to have us some fashion. We're going to have us some beauty, because I always get a few beauty products. And we're going to have us some beachy things. So we're just going to have lots of things on this channel. So you come back and check it out. I also will be having more giveaways this month. So just sit back. I hope you enjoy the videos. And I hope you come back and see me, because I really like seeing you. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.